Do you want to know how you can enable haptic feedback in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable haptic feedback in Dream. Go ahead and open Dream by Wombo on your phone. Go ahead and click Dream and it will open up. Now click on your profile, which is on the bottom right hand side, and click on the settings, which you can see on the top right hand corner. You can see the haptic feedback option. You can click on it and then it enables vibration feedback used when creating dreams. So while you start creating your artwork and once it's ready, you will get a notification of vibration and you will be asked about the app and how to give feedback. This way it will make it more user interactive and you will love it when you have completed your art. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and open Wombo by Dream and click on your profile, go to your settings and enable haptic feedback. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.